Now this recipe comes with a warning. If I give you the recipe to my grandmother's meat sauce for spaghetti, this is going to end up being the meat sauce that your grandkids are going to want from now on. It is so easy to make. It's all in your pantry right now. You got a pound of ground beef, maybe a pound and a half. You got a 28-ounce can of tomatoes. You got a medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic. Then you just need another teaspoon of basil, oregano, and a teaspoon of regular table salt, not kosher salt. This needs to be regular table salt. This is what she used. 2 bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And most importantly, you need this. You need a potato masher to make this. And I'll explain why, and I'll show you how this is all done. Take that onion, cut it, dice it, put it in a large pan with a couple turns of olive oil in it, and go ahead and start sauteing that up. You can give it a hit of salt if you like. And then throw in your garlic there, and take your ground beef and throw your ground beef into those onions and garlic. Go ahead and get that cooked up. If it is an 85-15, you might want to drain it just a little bit. If it's a 90-10, you probably don't need to. You want to take that 28-ounce can of tomatoes, put it in a bowl, and then just use your hands and just crush up those tomatoes. And then go ahead and add in that basil, that oregano, the salt, 2 bay leaves, and a tablespoon of sugar. That's ready to go. You take those tomatoes and you pour it in. And this is the most important part of the whole thing. You take this potato masher and you want to go around that pan and you want to smash it and smash it and smash it, and you let it cook a few more minutes, and then you smash it and you smash it and you smash it. You want to go around the pan doing this 5, maybe 6 times, okay? And probably over a 20-minute period. So just every few minutes go back and crush it again and crush it again. And then you can just turn it down on low and you can let it cook like another 20 minutes or so. And then it's ready to eat. You just make your noodles, and that's all you have to do. We'd go to my grandmother's house, and every single time we would arrive, she would have that on the stove, that meat sauce for that spaghetti. And it was so delicious, and it brings back such good memories. Every time I make it, the house smells like her house. And it's just a great memory, and it makes me feel real close to her. I hope you try it. I hope you let me know what you think about it.